so ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Dog. You don't gotta talk like that. I don't have nails, bro.
Figure it out.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ, could you have taped this any We're in. Oh my god, a box. I went blue.
Read it out loud.
Dog. I don't need to read this out loud. It's a book about. Oh my god, it's by different people. By Eli, by Brianna, by Adrian, by Carson, by Chase, by Jacob, by Caleb, Tia. Who the fuck is Collin? Oh my god, that's me. I'm so fucking dumb. I thought that shit said Collin. That's funny though. Caitlin, Sarah, Luke, London, Grace, Emily, Kate, William, Billy. That's funny. I don't even know what the fuck that says. Pokeball. I think that's a Safari Ball. Do I open it? Can I open it? Oh. That's right.
I even said to Mom, I hope there's unopened Pokemon cards in there that are now worth tons of money.
Basketball? Classic. Collin, congratulations. Mrs. I don't even know these people. Mrs. Kierstead, Mrs. Parfait, and Mrs. Graisley. Do you know these people? Do you? Do you?
Weren't they your speech people? Or I'm sorry, they were your preschool people.
No, they weren't. Mrs. Porter.
Yes, they were.
Yeah,
They
Mrs.
were.
Kierstead was.
Mrs. Kierstead was your preschool teacher.
Oh, at Fleetwood. Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha. I remember this motherfucker. I always used to cuddle with him. That's awesome. Holy shit, there's so many. 1-3? No. Oh, fuck it. 10-10. Awesome. Tyler will want this. Tyler, see, I'll be like, dude, I need it. I need it. Oh, shit. Only a participant, and I win. All About Me in 2011.
Read
My
it.
favorite. I know I can't. My favorite TV show was Dude, What Would Happen. My favorite movie was Star Wars. Hasn't changed. My favorite food is hot dog, pork and beans and rice. Hasn't changed. My best friend was Zach. Was that a preschool Zach? That's fucking awesome. I remember him. We saved the kid from killing himself.
Okay, this is being videotaped.
Dude, he was trying to lift up a grate that led to a train, and he was trying to kill himself. And we saved him, me and Zach. My favorite thing to do was play my GSI. My favorite thing about kindergarten. This is kindergarten. There's no way it was him.
You still consider him your best friend.
Playing in the morning. Jesus Christ. He kept everything. This was me in kindergarten. Okay, Jesus Christ, bro. Collin, I love you. Oh, Jesus. June 1, 2011. I don't know where to start. I'm so proud of you. I'll be writing this on the verge of you finishing kindergarten. You're a great kid and the best thing I've ever done. A man is measured by his feats and accomplishments, and you and your brothers are mine. I could write pages and pages about how great you are and how happy you made me. Always know I love you and all your successes complete in life. Love always and forever, Dad, Christopher Kowalczyk. Here are some of your nicknames I called you. Bobby, aka Bobcat. I can't say that one. Collin, I can't say that one either. Kelvin, Collin King, King Wee, mix of King Bobcat and Poppy. If you want to read the ones that I said I can't read, you can.
You should say it louder too, because
Yeah, because the fan's
I'm
going.
sick. I'm trying my best. Dear Collin, hi Collin. By now you will be graduating high school. I want to let you know that you were one of the coolest brothers ever, including Alex. You are a awesome brother, and I bet you already have a girlfriend. You were always a kid that loves sports, so if you're in any, tell me because I bet you're good and at them. You're off to great places today. It's that day you're off on your own way. Sincerely, love your brother, Tyler Santora. Christmas 2010. Oh, we do have some Pokemon cards. I'm pretty sure they're fake, but... dear Collin, I hope you have a fun time with your friends in high school. I like that you graduated today and hope you have a fun time in college with new people and your friends. I could even see you at college. Good luck getting a girlfriend and marrying her, then having a baby with her. From 20-year-old Alex. Remember these. Favorite legendary Pokemon cards when you were 6. Yu-Gi-Oh! That's awesome. Got a picture of me in 2010, 2011. Another picture. Don't know if I'm wearing. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what this is.
that's from
Chuck E.
Chuck E.
Cheese.
Really?
yeah,
Yes.
you could make little fake IDs. And
I want
stuff.
to put this in my wallet. Picture? A bunch of you got a lot of pictures, bro. You can't be zooming in on all of them. Oh, this one's tough, though. Check that one out. Me zooming around the bases. Ducks. Oh my god. Oh. Avery Fulmer. Savannah. Motherfucker, chill. Doug, back up a little bit.
Just watch your mouth.
Jesus.
Is that for preschool?
Yeah. Do you remember which one, Zach?
Yeah.
I think it was him or him. Which one? It was one of the two boys next to me. I think it's the one right next to me.
you.
Awesome. Me and Dana. Baseball. Tiny.
That's a nice picture of a room.
Nah, I'm not trying to. Chuck E. Cheese. Side eye. 3 bald boys. Me and Dad. I like your beard in that, the little goatee thing. Chuck E. Cheese again? Jesus Christ, do we ever not go to Chuck E. Cheese? Jesus.
No, I love those things.
No, they're fun.
Those are my favorite.
They're funny. It's just. Goatee dad. I fuck with the goatee on you. Oh my god, now we're back to the baby pictures. Oh, ugly ass baby.
Some of these pictures we haven't seen for 12 years.
Holy shit. Damn. Calendar.
And that was from Rehoboth Beach.
Oh gosh, is there gonna be like some custom lettering in here? Jesus. Collin, happy high school graduation. Oh, the places you'll go. Love, Mom. Is there anything else in here? Besides this. Who's this from? Mom. Okay. Dearest Collin, you have grown so fast. I remember the days you were born as if it were yesterday. Actually, it was only 6 years ago. But we pretend like I'm writing this in 2023. Well, time flies by so fast. Your brothers are sitting here. Alex just asked me for ideas of what to write about. What a goof. I am so proud of you and love you very, very much. Ginger and Leah just barked in agreement. They love you too. Daddy and I treasure all the precious moments you have given us. You are probably a star athlete and an academic whiz. Right now, at age 6, you play baseball, basketball, and soccer. You are leaving kindergarten and reading at the middle of a first grade year. I have never been prouder. As I have said before, you got it right. I got it right that 3 times around. So therefore, I am 33 and a third percent correct. Practice makes perfect. Just don't tell Tyler and Alex that I said that. You are amazing, and remember that today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Heart, your mom. Oh gosh, a book. My September Kid Ready Journal. I'm going to Rehoboth. She corrected it as a robot house. What the? Someone came into the house. A man fell down the stairs. The octopus cloud is dude, I don't know.
What does it say underneath?
A wonderful place? I have no idea. I threw boxes at a bear in the woods. Okay. I saw an... Dude, I don't even know.
What does it say underneath?
It says eclipse, but there's no way.
Okay.
At my grandpa's house. My dad umbrella flew away. I am stuck inside because it is raining for 2 days. I was with my girlfriend watching a movie. I played with my brothers. I went to my neighbor's house and watched a movie. I heard the fire alarm, so I went outside. I went to play with my scooter. I was terrified in the dark. In the dark, my mom had a flashlight. Chase came over to my house. I am at school and I learning. I walked to the door and saw a robot. Do you have to go through all this?
Yes.
Okay. I was going to bed because Mom said bedtime. When I was at my house, it was raining. And that is the end. Oh gosh, we have another. Oh gosh, we have two more. Jesus Christ.
You don't have to read.
Yes, you do.
Is this like supposed to be there?
Sure.
Well, there's nothing in there. It's just blank pieces of paper.
Dude, there's nothing written on it.
No.
Nothing?
No.
Just let go.
Look, it's
Okay. Just let go.
crusted shut. Dude, this one's really bad. I'm just gonna flip through it.
When it comes to yours, just read yours.
What do you mean when it comes to mine?
Is this all yours?
Yes. I don't know what the hell any of these say.
Isn't there words underneath it?
Some of them.
Just read what the words underneath it say. Put your leg down.
Oh, my leg hurts. My knees hurt.
Okay, you can stretch it out.
Jesus. One day I will have a play date with Chase, and I will play on my foosball table and my air hockey and ping pong table and my trampoline. Oh my god. And my basketball court. Tonight, we will sing at the kindergarten concert because I am excited. Because I might see my grandparents at the kindergarten concert. On the Saturday in May, on every Saturday, I will have a game, and I think I will verse the Blue Claws, or I will verse Jacob on Saturday, and it will be so cool. Do I have to read all this, bro?
Yes.
Dude, there's like...
I don't care. Read it. It's for prosperity. Please. For me.
Blue Claws was baseball.
Yeah, I know Blue Claws was
Just
baseball.
please play. Or just please read.
Today was tea with Mommy and Dad. She told me that when I get home, I could play with my Wii. And I can't wait until I see my mommy again, and I will play Wii. Last night, I was screaming, "Mommy, Mommy," and this morning, I played Wii, and it was so fun, and then I had to get ready for school. I was absent because I felt like I was going to throw up. And when I was absent, I got to play Mario and Sonic at the Olympic
Games.
Olympic Games.
Sure. Today I will go get my water gun, and then I will shoot my brother Alex, and he is 8 years old, and this year he will be 9. This weekend, my brother Tyler is going to a sleepover party, and he will get his wiener sucked.
Yeah, right there.
Have a lot of fun, and Tyler always gets to go to sleepover parties and play dates too. What's this drawing? One day I will go on my slip and dunk, slip and dunk, and I will take my t-shirt off. And I got another slip, and you can have 2 people can go down at the same time. One day I will have a play date with Luke and my brother Tyler and Alex, and Alex is so mean and he hogs up the Wii and I do not like it. Accurate. On Friday, the whole class will have a field trip to a train place, and it will be for the whole day off school. On the field trip were 2 places. It was to the
Strasbourg.
Okay. Railroad tracks, and we went to, I don't even know. It doesn't have any correction below it. On house, and it was so fun. We had field day 2 days ago, and it was so fun. And we went to the town park. And I was so excited on field day, and it was so fun, and I beat Carson at the beanbag throw. Flex. One day, I will have a play date with Carson, and I will be so fun. And it will be so fun. And he is coming to my house, and I am getting Carson phone number. One day I will have a play date with dude, I had like an obsession with him. I will have a play date with Carson, and it will be so fun, and I want to go to the Top 10 pool, and it will be so much fun. Over the weekend, I was wishing for Luke to come over and we would go to Burger King, and when we go to Burger King, and it will get water blasters when we come to my house. Dude.
You look out, it's over.
Yeah, too bad there's
You know you don't have to read it.
No,
like
you
you
do.
wrote.
You do. You
Like,
do.
You don't have to, be so jagged.
Well, no, I'm trying to determine what I say. Okay? I'm not reading that.
What, is it everybody in the class that wrote something?
No.
Is it all you?
Yes, it's all me.
No,
It's
you
drawing.
have to read that.
It's drawings.
This is drawing.
I thought that. What about the words?
Look up.
My illustration.
Jesus Christ. Carrots.
Orange.
Carrots. Are you kidding me?
Pumpkin,
Yeah.
dude.
Read the other side. That's what your illustration is.
No,
On
I don't
the other
need
side.
Gobble gobble. Dang. No little butterfly. Awesome.
Congratulations.